One thing I noticed about this keyboard is that you cannot use a Type-C to Type-C keyboard. This, just every keyboard actually. I cannot use the Type-C to Type-C keyboard. I tried it actually, and the keyboard did not light up like this. Right now I'm using the cable. I use the A cable, and you can see it's actually lit up. But if I use something like a Type-C to Type-C cable, it doesn't work, but it does work on this controller. Which right now I have it plugged into my power bank for 1 amp. So 1 amp is fine. It'll just charge the controller slowly. So and then with this, I could also charge my Bluetooth adapter as well. Get this plugged in. Oop. You already seen my face before. So. All right. The Bluetooth adapter here. So this one does. Let me see how much amps this takes. Oh, it doesn't say it. So. But I don't think it takes that much. It won't impact the battery at all. So. I think this was already fully charged, actually. But I'll leave it plugged in. And by the way, this cable, I came with this power bank, which is good. So yeah, nice. It came with it. But yeah, don't use the Type-C to Type-C cable on these keyboards. They just don't work because on that Type-C port they don't have. There's this the controller board that deals with it making the cable detect to something plugged in, because it doesn't say it at all. So yeah, so just use a Type-C to Type A.